Good afternoon, it's 3 p.m. I'm Nantegito Pista to take you through this hour. 6 dead in Kenya medical small plane crash. 6 people have been killed after a light aircraft belonging to a medical charity crashed in Kenya's capital, Nairobi. According to her local official, Charity Amref Flying Doctors said that the Cessna plane took off from Wilson Airport on Thursday afternoon going to Hagishiya in Somalia. Kiambu County Commissioner Henry Wafula said 4 people on the plane were killed, including doctors, nurses, and the pilot. The Kenya Defence Forces and the National Police Services have been deployed to the scene to conduct search and recovery operations. That was the news in brief. Nantegito Pista.